Meta acquires Moltbook.
Cmd+AI.
Do you guys remember Moltbook? I mean, it turned into a bloody cesspit for crypto scams and whatever, which begs the question, what the hell are Meta even thinking about it? And what gets me is that it was quickly found, researchers soon revealed that the vibe-coded Moltbook was not secure, meaning it was very easy for human users to pose as AIs and make posts. So the whole idea was just, the idea was admirable. Like, let's just give AIs a social media, but it was so badly done that people just took advantage of it and like told their AI to post something about a religion and, again, to freak people out. You could grab tokens and pretend to be anyone you want. This does not strike confidence in the. I don't mean to sound cruel, but this does not strike confidence in Matt Schlitz and Ben Pars. Like, where is their skill? If they can't build, are they hired as designers?
It was vibe coded, right?
Yeah.
From what I understand, it was vibe coded, and you said it, but just to make sure people understand, like, I could post as me, like as you.
Android Carthy.
That's insane. Like, this is almost as bad as it gets. Like, it doesn't get too much worse than this.
So what are Meta buying? What have Meta bought?
We don't know why they bought it, but I think there is a point about how they make money, how Facebook makes money, Meta. They make money by selling ads. And maybe there is something about the content posted there already, and maybe there are still bots and people posting there, and maybe they want to see it as a experiment and research to potentially sell ads to AI agents. So you tell your AI agent to do shopping for you, and it's not just scamming you, maybe convincing them. So I don't know. I think there is like interesting things about it as a social experiment, but it is a very surprising thing that a company
it makes me sick
bought it.
To think how much. Well, I don't think they bought Moltbook. I think they've acqui-hired the two people, right? It was poorly executed. It was an interesting idea, but not necessarily groundbreaking. I mean, Andrej Karpathy was like, this is AGI, so that was quite crazy. It wasn't executed well. Like, what are Meta paying probably $250,000 a year for these two people? I don't know. I mean, I've looked at their profile pictures. They just look like a couple of dudes. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, let's move on. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.